install fluted panels, what do they use? So this is our silicone glue. This is what they use to install fluted panels. You just have to put it at the back of the panel. Put it at the back of the panel, and it's going to gum to the wall, like very, very strong. So this is it. We sell it in our day store. It comes with this, right? So this is the shooter. You're going to put it at the edge here so you can be able to apply it on the body. We sell this for just $4.5 at our day store. Another way of installing your fluted panel, instead of using glue, you can use these clips. These clips too are very effective, but you cannot use it on a bare wall. You have to put wood. You have to knock wood on it so that you can be able to put this on the panel and use the nail to screw inside. So this is another effective way of installing your fluted panels. These are the clips. You just clip it to the wood and be able to screw it inside, so you can easily unscrew it and remove the panel from the wall. So when I made a video about this gum can only be used on the bare wall without the wood, and then you put this on it. But if you want to use this, you need to knock wood on the wall, then be able to put this on the panel and screw this. So this is another way of installing your fluted panels. Any more questions, do let me know. Thank you.